Hey, what up, you guys? This is Poppy's Kitchen, and I'm Summertime Kev. I wish I wouldn't have thought of this, but I did. So one of my favorite foods is macaroni and cheese. So I'm doing a mac and cheese, but I'm gonna do my regular baked mac and cheese, and then I'm gonna do a cheeseburger on top of it. So it's cheeseburger mac and cheese. And that's not all. I'm gonna top it with melted raclette. Let's get started. So it's easy to start off with just leftover mac and cheese. Put it in a small skillet like this with some milk, some butter, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese. Get it on a slow warm. I like to top it like that just to keep in the moisture. Easy enough. And we're gonna just put some good old American in there. Let that that's mostly milk anyway, let that soak up in there. It's gonna give it some of that flavor. Now I have to admit, this was a leftover mac and cheese and a leftover grilled cheeseburger. Cheeseburger with mac and cheese, top with raclette. Yes. It's great. Stop. The mustard, the onions, the yellow American, and the hamburger makes it taste like a cheeseburger. Then you got that creamy, delicious mac and cheese as your bun. Can't go wrong with that. So that was really a cheesy dinner, but it was delicious. Check out more great recipes on my YouTube channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes. And as always, appreciate you guys watching, and take care.